Electrical knowledge is one of the most important skills for every HVAC technician. Almost every heating and cooling system depends on electrical components to operate properly. If you understand HVAC electrical basics, troubleshooting and repairing AC systems becomes much easier. In this video, we will learn some basic HVAC electrical concepts in simple English. This guide is perfect for beginners, HVAC students, and new technicians who want to understand how electrical systems work in air conditioners and HVAC equipment. Every air conditioner needs electricity to run components like the compressor, fan motor, capacitor, contactor, and control board. In most residential systems, power enters the outdoor and indoor units through electrical wiring and breakers. HVAC systems mainly use two types of electrical power. One is low voltage, usually around 24 volts, which is used for controls and thermostats. The second is high voltage, such as 110 volts or 220 volts, which powers major components like compressors and motors. Understanding the difference between low voltage and high voltage is very important for safety and troubleshooting. One important electrical component is the capacitor. The capacitor helps start and run motors efficiently. If the capacitor becomes weak or damaged, the compressor or fan motor may not start properly. Another important part is the contactor. The contactor acts like an electrical switch that controls power to the compressor and outdoor fan motor. When the thermostat sends a signal, the contactor closes and allows electricity to flow. Circuit breakers and fuses are also very important because they protect the system from overloads and short circuits. If excessive current flows through the system, the breaker trips to prevent damage. HVAC wiring basics. HVAC wiring may look complicated at first, but basic understanding makes things easier. Most systems use color-coded wires for different functions. For example, the red wire often carries power from the transformer, while the yellow wire usually controls cooling. The green wire controls the indoor fan, and the white wire is commonly used for heating systems. Always follow the wiring diagram provided by the manufacturer before making electrical connections. Using a multimeter. A multimeter is one of the most important tools for HVAC electrical work. Technicians use it to measure voltage, resistance, and continuity. With a multimeter, you can check whether power is reaching the unit, if capacitors are working correctly, whether wires are broken, if electrical components are receiving voltage. Learning to use a multimeter properly is a major step for every beginner HVAC technician. Important safety tips. Safety is extremely important during HVAC electrical work. Always turn off the power before touching electrical components. Wear insulated gloves and use proper tools while working. Never touch exposed wires with bare hands, and never work on wet surfaces around electrical systems. Even small electrical mistakes can damage HVAC equipment or cause serious injury. Common electrical problems in HVAC systems. Many HVAC problems are related to electrical issues. Sometimes, the AC does not start because of a faulty capacitor, loose wiring, blown fuse, or damaged contactor. Low voltage problems may also stop communication between the thermostat and HVAC system. Proper electrical testing helps technicians find problems quickly and safely. Conclusion. HVAC electrical training is an essential part of becoming a skilled AC technician. Understanding basic electrical components, wiring, voltage, and safety procedures helps improve troubleshooting skills and system performance. Every beginner should practice electrical basics carefully and continue learning step by step. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more HVAC educational videos and beginner-friendly training guides.